Which brings me to why we're here today. I am thrilled and honored to announce that Aera Energy will be donating $280,000 to the Boys and Girls Club of Kern County to purchase a new roof for this facility and to install 74,000 kilowatt rooftop solar system. So Zane, now when it rains, you won't have to curtail activities. And I think as importantly, you won't have any staff members that have to put tarps over their desks to protect their materials and supplies. And I am absolutely confident that every dollar that Zane and his team doesn't have to spend on energy bills is going to go right back into helping our kids and our community thrive. The good people at Streamline Solar have told us that the solar system that will be installed should save the club over $60,000 a year. And I am sure that every person here would agree with me in saying that money is going to be much better spent on funding more programs and helping more kids. So on a personal note, we at Aera are very proud to partner with this organization to nurture the next generation and prepare them for success. It's my hope and Aera's that the support we provide today makes that work a little easier. So thank you for being here today. And once again, Zane, thank you to you and your staff for all you do to create success for our young people, and for our community. Thank you.